Finding the best trekking poles for backpacking can make all the difference on long hikes, providing stability and reducing strain on your joints. With lightweight materials, ergonomic grips, and adjustable designs, the right poles enhance comfort and endurance. Let's explore the top options to make your next adventure unforgettable. Number 1. Trekology Trekking Pole. The Trekology trekking poles are a perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable and ergonomic hiking gear. Designed to enhance comfort and stability, these poles feature a cork-textured grip that effectively absorbs sweat, keeping hands dry even during long treks. The EVA foam shafts provide a strong, non-slip grip, ensuring maximum support in extreme terrain. The added mud stops improve traction in muddy or slippery conditions, making these poles a great choice for various landscapes. With an adjustable flip-lock system, these poles offer a customizable height range of 100–120 centimeters for users 5 feet 8 inches or shorter and 115–135 centimeters for those 5 feet 9 inches or taller, making them suitable for both men and women. Weighing just 294 g, 10.4 ounces for the smaller size, and 306 g, 10.8 ounces for the larger, these poles are incredibly lightweight without compromising durability. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, they are designed to withstand significant pressure and impact, outperforming carbon fiber alternatives. Reinforced metal caps at the joints add extra security, ensuring long-lasting performance on rugged trails. Thanks to the compact tri-fold design, these poles collapse to just 15 inches, making them easy to store in backpacks, suitcases, or duffel bags. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or simply running daily errands, these trekking poles provide enhanced stability and mobility. Number 2. Foxelli Carbon Fiber Trekking Pole. The Foxelli carbon fiber trekking poles are an excellent choice for hikers who prioritize lightweight gear without sacrificing durability. Made from 100% carbon fiber, these poles weigh just 7.6 ounces each, making them one of the lightest trekking poles available. Despite their lightweight construction, they provide exceptional strength and shock absorption, reducing strain on joints and minimizing fatigue during long hikes. The ergonomic cork grips mold to the shape of your hands, providing a comfortable and sweat-resistant hold, while the extended EVA foam sleeves ensure a secure grip when tackling steep ascents or descents. Additionally, the padded, adjustable wrist straps reduce hand fatigue, ensuring all-day comfort. The secure lever lock system allows for easy adjustments, offering a retractable range from 24 inches to 55 inches. This makes the poles suitable for men, women, and even kids of all heights. Designed to handle all terrains, the Foxelli carbon fiber trekking poles come with tungsten carbide tips and durable accessories, ensuring stability on rocky, icy, or muddy trails. These poles are also compact and portable, folding down effortlessly to fit into backpacks for easy storage and transport. Whether you're ice climbing, backpacking, or taking a casual nature stroll, these poles deliver exceptional balance and support. Number 3. Covacure Trekking Pole. The Covacure trekking poles are designed for hikers who need lightweight yet sturdy support on all terrains. Constructed from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, these poles provide superior durability and resistance to impact, making them an excellent choice for long-distance trekking. Unlike carbon fiber poles, aluminum bends without snapping, ensuring longevity and reliability. The tri-fold design allows for a compact and adjustable length, ranging from 43 to 51 inches, making them suitable for a variety of users. When collapsed, they fold down to just 14 inches, making them easy to store in backpacks, luggage, or duffel bags. Featuring an ergonomic design, these trekking poles come with 3 different rubber tips that enhance stability on different surfaces. The EVA foam handle is not only sweat-absorbent but also designed with skid-resistant grooves for a comfortable and secure grip. The adjustable wrist straps allow for a relaxed hold, reducing hand strain during long treks. The locking mechanism ensures quick and secure adjustments, keeping the pole sturdy on uneven terrain. Whether you're hiking in rugged landscapes or simply taking a leisurely walk, these trekking poles offer excellent support. Their corrosion-resistant coating further enhances durability, making them a long-lasting choice. Number 4. Foxelli Lightweight Trekking Pole. The Foxelli lightweight trekking poles offer a fantastic blend of comfort, durability, and portability, making them an essential tool for hikers of all experience levels. With a one-size-fits-all design, these retractable poles extend from 24 to 54 inches using an easy-to-use flip-lock mechanism, ensuring a perfect fit for any height. They provide excellent support, reducing joint strain and improving balance on uneven terrains. Each pole weighs only 9.4 ounces, making them ultra-light and easy to carry without adding extra weight to your hiking gear. Designed for supreme comfort, these poles feature anti-slip cork grips that conform to your hands, absorbing sweat and keeping your grip firm. The soft, extended EVA sleeve allows for better handling during steep climbs and rapid changes in terrain. Adjustable wrist straps provide additional security and comfort, reducing strain on hands and wrists. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, these poles are exceptionally strong and reliable, capable of handling rough terrains with ease. Equipped with carbide tips and versatile all-season accessories, they perform well in various weather conditions. When not in use, the Foxelli lightweight trekking poles collapse down to a compact 21 inches, making them easy to store in backpacks or travel bags. Whether you're an experienced hiker or looking for extra support on trails, these poles deliver outstanding performance and stability. Their lightweight yet durable build makes them a great choice for those who love to explore the outdoors with confidence and ease. Number 5. Covscure Trekking Pole. The Covscure trekking poles are a versatile and dependable option for hikers seeking lightweight, durable support on their outdoor adventures. Weighing only 13.12 ounces each, these trekking poles have a remarkably light swing weight, reducing fatigue and making them ideal for long-distance hikes. Their foldable design allows them to collapse to just 14.2 inches, making them easy to store in backpacks when not in use. Each set includes a convenient storage bag, ensuring hassle-free transportation. Designed for comfort and stability, the ergonomic wrist straps and extended EVA shaft foam provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing strain on hands and wrists. The anti-shock technology effectively absorbs impact, enhancing stability and minimizing fatigue. Crafted from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, these trekking poles are built to withstand significant pressure and impact, making them an excellent choice for rugged landscapes. A corrosion-resistant coating further enhances their durability, ensuring long-term performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hiker, these trekking poles offer excellent reliability. Backed by Covscure's commitment to quality, they are a trusted choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for lightweight, sturdy, and easy-to-use trekking poles. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.